Welcome back, everyone. It's Christy, and spring cleaning continues. Today, the refrigerator. And this is the mess we have going on in the freezer. Everything is just shoved in here. So we're going to try to reorganize this as well. And then this is the refrigerator. Everything is just all over the place. It's a real mess. So I'm going to try to organize that. I'm going to take everything out, read the labels, see what's expired, toss what's expired, toss what we don't eat. Then I'm going to go in and spray the door with my cleaner, just a multi-surface cleaner. I'm going to wipe it down. Then I'll put everything back in there. And then I'll go on to the top shelf and so on and so on. Now that the door is cleaned, this is what's left after I've gone through it and tossed the stuff that's expired or the stuff we don't eat. So now I'm going to go ahead and put this stuff back on the door. Now I'm going to start taking out the stuff from the refrigerator. And I'm going to do the same thing, look through it, see if anything's expired or any of the leftovers have gone bad, sort through them, stuff like that. And I'm going to wipe down the refrigerator. So this is everything I took out of the refrigerator. A couple strawberries left in each container. And somebody seemed to have opened the Snap Peas bag and just put it in there open. So I'm going to have to put this in some Tupperware. I'll probably end up putting those waffles that are in bags in some Tupperware too. But now I'm going to go ahead and just spray the inside of the refrigerator with my multi-surface cleaner and wipe everything down. It's pretty dirty. Didn't realize how much messy it gets or how messy it gets when you have kids, because the boys just get stuff, drop stuff, and leave it, don't say anything or don't clean it. So now I'm having to do it. Also, I did notice here in the back of the refrigerator, it looks dirty. It's like a yellow line, but it goes all the way down the refrigerator and it's a stain. It looks like something is leaking or something did leak, and it left a huge stain down the whole back of the refrigerator. So it doesn't look very nice, but it is clean. See, here's that line, that stain line. I don't know, I've scrubbed it and I can't get it to go away, so guess it's just gonna have to stay. Then I'm gonna go ahead and clean out the drawers, shake out these towels, clean inside the drawers, put new towels. I don't know why I put towels in those drawers, I just do. But I'm gonna go ahead and just clean these out and then put fresh towels in there. I am just spraying and wiping down where the drawers were in the refrigerator and cleaning all that off before I put them back in. I couldn't find 2 matching towels, but that's all right. These will do. These are clean, so I'm gonna fold these neatly and put them in the drawers and then start putting the stuff back in the refrigerator. There we go, nice and clean. And I do keep these eye masks in the fridge for whenever I need them, or the boys sometimes they say they have a headache or they hit themselves and they bump themselves, so we keep them in there so they're always cold. Now it's time to start organizing and putting everything back in. And I'm going to start by putting the eggs from the egg carton into this plastic one that I have that we can see them through. So I'm going to move all these into that one. Then I'm going to put these applesauce pouches into one of these clear plastic containers that I have. I got these at the Dollar Tree. This makes it easy for the boys to grab them in the morning for their lunches. Plus it also lets us see how many we have, so I know when I need to buy more of them. So I took the food that was in these red containers out. Now I wiped them out. Now I'm going to go ahead and start putting this stuff back in. So I put the milk back in. Now I'm just going to put some other stuff in this other bin we have and stick this in the fridge. I'm going to put some of this other food that's just in plastic bags into little storage containers, so it's easier to see and find and keep fresh in the fridge. The last thing that I need to put in the Tupperware container is these peas. And then I did have a little bit left. They didn't get in the bowl, so we're gonna just put those aside for now. This is looking so much better already. And now that almost everything is back in there, I'm kind of just moving things around, trying to make it fit, see where it fits the best and where it looks the most organized. And there we go. There's the nice clean fridge. And these I am going to, they were in the refrigerator, but I'm going to go ahead and put them in the freezer because the boys like to eat these frozen, like popsicles kind of. So now I'm going to take everything out of the freezer, do the same thing with the freezer, wipe it all down, and then reorganize the stuff I have and put it back in. So here's everything I took out of the freezer, and I'm going to go through it and do the same as I did in the refrigerator, see if anything is expired or stuff that we don't eat, and toss it, and then try to reorganize the stuff back in the freezer after I wash it out. So I'm just spraying it down with the multi-surface cleaner and wiping it down the same way I did in the refrigerator. I'm going to put these yogurts in this plastic container. And now I put everything back in the freezer. I use 2 plastic containers to store some of the kids' lunch stuff so it's easy for them to find, and everything else is in there nice and neat. And these are the leftover peas that I had and a couple strawberries. I'm just going to put them in here and the boys will snack on them when they get home from school. I hope you liked the video. I hope it helped motivate you to get your spring cleaning started. Please give me a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and we'll see you next time.